Hello guys, today I was telling about how to fix COD MW3 Vault Edition Battle Pass not working. Check for day 1 player status. If you are day 1 player of the game, it's important to note that Battle Pass COD points and tier skips will not be immediately available. And check for your edition. Ensure that you have purchased the correct edition of the game. The Vault Edition includes a Battle Pass, COD points, and tier skips as a part of a black cell unlocks. If you have the purchased the standard edition, you will not have access to these features. Contact activation support. If you have the correct edition and still experiencing the issues with the battle pass, the next step is to contact activation support by clicking here. You can reach out them via their website or social media channels, and then contacting them provide as much detail as possible about the issue you are facing. Provide proof of purchase, and where contacting activation support, be sure to provide proof of purchase for the vault edition. This can include a receipt or confirmation email from the retailer where are you purchased the game. This will help them verify that you have the correct edition and are eligible for support, and follow their instructions. Once you receive a response from activation support, be sure to follow their instructions carefully. This may involve resetting your account or applying a patch of to the game. If you are unsure or about any of the instructions, ask for clarifications before proceeding. Check for the update after following their instructions. Check for any game updates or patches that may have been released. Installing these updates can help resolve any remaining issues with the battle pass. Check updates, go to the game's main menu and look for any prompts to download or install updates. And